here today in Poole to run a special day of music making for 230 young students from around the area with members of our VOCES8 Foundation team. So we have brought together some incredible singers from all over the UK to spend the afternoon with some very well-dressed, costumed singers, and we're exploring our voices. We're thinking about what it means to make a cappella music in a giant team of singers, and we're learning songs from around the world and thinking about what a cappella means.
Can we try that? Bye Hannah, 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 bye Hannah.
If you sing in a choir, it's good for you, and whether this is something you're doing as a young student or something you do for your whole life, it's good for you. It's good for your body, for your mind, for your spirit, for your voice. It's good for community building. It's good for the way the brain works with academic subjects. The way we make music, the way we learn with our ears in these settings today, and then find a way to bring creativity into what we're doing as well. All of these elements, when tied together, make music making, particularly when we're singing in a choir, a fantastic thing to be doing.
A little bit faster as this one goes, and go.
Music on the water.
We are celebrating the 20th anniversary of the VOCES8 Foundation this year, and for me personally it's a thrill to be coming back here to this area and to work with Soundstorm again. It's so important that children have music in their lives, and I've known this organisation for such a long time, and every time I come back to the area to work with Soundstorm, it is a true joy and a pleasure to see such commitment from the team and the way the energy is passed into all the students and teachers that they're working with.
We sung songs and listened to the people from the workshop sing, and it was like really fun and exciting to listen to.
And have a seat, everybody. Thank you so much.